We started beginning of this year and started going with Bateman Collective immediately. And so, since Bateman, we've had a lot of traction and a lot of good marketing leads. But seasonal, there definitely comes in ebbs and flows. So, if we didn't get a deal the very first month, we weren't going to say, oh, screw this, we're not doing it. We knew that, it might take 3 or 4 months something to come to fruition and actually work these leads and get them closed. But we were very, very stoked when within the first month we got deals in. Concern with PPC a lot of times people have, under my impression is people are a little bit hesitant on what kind of service they're going to get from their PPC provider, and if they're going to be there and actually constantly making tweaks and pivots to how the PPC is being run, and how it's activated. And that was to say not really a concern, but a little bit of a question when I started working with you all. And that's one thing that really has blown me away is working with Shannon and every single month having a call and just any tweak we need. She's always there, very responsive. And so that is now the absolute least of my worries. I think it's absolute A plus top notch service. Whether it's an email, whether it's a call, whatever we need, it's Johnny on the spot. And I think Shannon a lot of times is already 2 steps ahead of us. She'll send us emails. We won't even reach out. She'll send us emails asking, "Hey, I noticed this. Would you be open to tweaking this?" And we had over the last few weeks pretty good leads come in, pretty good return. We're very content with it. And Shannon even reached out to us and said, "Hey, I noticed lead flow has been a little slow. What do we think about doing this?" And so I think for me is the best thing about Bateman that I've noticed is just how proactive you all are, and how just aware of our business you all are. It is a numbers game, just like any lead source. But as far as the return we've had from the leads coming in to appointments set to closing contracts, it has been phenomenal. And so I think the biggest difference is just knowing you're going to be getting high quality leads. Where direct mail, when you get 30 phone calls, might be 30 people just telling you to screw off, or 30 people telling you they want to know an offer and nothing else. With PPC and with Bateman, you're getting high quality leads every month that you can work. The best service, great leads, and just great people. I think it's something where no matter how big or small your operation is, Bateman's going to treat you like their most important client. They're going to be there for you whenever you need them, whether it's a phone call, whether it's an email, and they're going to have even more awareness on what your leads are doing than you are. And that's exactly who I think you want your PPC provider to be, and have them to act towards you. Because some of these leads that come in, that's the name of the game, and speed to lead and getting to it, sooner rather than later is critical on every deal and every lead. And having a team of people behind you who are going to be putting in quality leads and can give you insight because they're also in the business is huge.